We just spent $180,000 through Caterpillar. Started at $90,000, and by the time we're done, we went to $180,000. All the receipts are on there. You can look. Equalizer bar, I think was $35,000 on that machine. It's new. All the rollers are new. Rails are new. Pads are new. We even pulled the axle shaft out of it, and they turned it, put all new bearings in it, new seals in it. The only thing we didn't do is we didn't repaint it. That's the only thing that we were going to do, and we decided not to do it. And I've only had one guy drive that dozer since we've had it. His name's Larry, because I really just didn't want random people in that machine. He was very easy on the machine. Well, we're here at the D10, show you a few things that we've done. Obviously on this, I believe it's called the trunnion. This cap's been replaced. Opposite side over here, it's got a whole new trunnion on it. The sprockets are all new, and like I said, all these parts are cat parts. The front and rear both, the idlers are both replaced. All the bottom rollers have been replaced. You can see the cap's been taken off here because they rebuilt all the track adjusters. And then of course the equalizer bar up underneath here, it's all new. All the bushings of course are new in it. And then back here on the back, the through axle or through shaft, or whatever you want to call it, it was pulled completely out. We took it down to a place in Texas. They turned it, and then Cat put all new seals and new bearings in it too. Like I said, these tracks, the total build was like $180,000, and they've got less than 40 hours on it since we've done that. Yeah, I mean, the main reason why we're getting rid of the D10 now is not because it's, like I said, it's a very good machine. It's something I'm kind of attached to, but because I've never had a D10 in my life. But the reason why we're selling it is for the reason that we're shifting parts of our development, that we don't need that big of a class of dozer anymore, because the lake that we've dug here is pretty much done and dug out. Yeah, this machine, it's ready to go. It's ready to be loaded, and you can come pick it up and put it to work.